I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra here. I'm going to show you two ways that you can do a factory reset. The first way, we're going to do a soft reset, a soft factory reset going to the settings. And the second way, we're going to do a hard reset, a hard factory reset using the keys. Okay, so first way is let's do the soft reset. So first thing you need to do is log into your phone. And then from there, we're going to go directly to your settings. So look for your settings app. And then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom until you see about down here, and then you want to go and tap on about. So I'll tap on about here. I'm just hiding my IMEI number there. So from here on the very bottom here it says reset, so tap on reset, and then right here it says factory data reset. You can tap on that and then go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on reset. Don't forget guys, factory reset, you're going to be erasing everything off your phone. Your photos, videos, documents, whatnot is all going to be long gone. Okay, so if you have anything important, back it up before you do this. Okay, anyway, this is how you do the soft reset. Now to do the hard reset using the actual keys, first thing you got to do is turn off your phone. So bring up the power off menu. You can hold the press and hold the volume down and power, press and hold. Power off menu appears. We're going to go ahead and turn off. We're going to go ahead and turn off the phone completely. Power off, power off. Wait till the phone is completely off. Now the phone is completely off. Next thing we want to do is we want to press and hold two buttons again, but this time it's going to be the volume up and the power. We want to press and hold both buttons and do not let go until the Samsung logo appears. Then let go, and then this will boot us up into the Android recovery system where we'll be able to factory reset there as well. So let's do it together. Volume up, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Wait for the Samsung logo. Then you can let go. So hopefully, let's see, this should boot us up into the Android recovery menu. Yep, we did it. And now you can see from here, you use the volume rockers, volume up and down to move up or down. So to factory reset this way, you go all the way down to where it says wipe data / factory reset. Okay, to proceed, to select it, press the power button. Okay, so we'll press the power button. Now this message here pops up, and this is basically saying, once you do this, this cannot be undone. So if you want to proceed, you go with the volume down, select factory data reset, and then go ahead and tap on the power button to select it, and it's going to go ahead and start the factory reset process. Once you tap on the power button, give it like a minute or two, and then once everything boots back up, it'll be in the very beginning process where you have to choose your language and whatnot, just like if you bought it brand new, your S21 Ultra, and just took it out of the box. So pretty simple. But I'm not going to factory reset, so I'm just going to go up here. I'm going to cancel this to select it. I'm going to press on power, and then it says reboot system now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to press on the power button because I don't want to factory reset this phone. Anyway, any questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck.